What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be introducing the new project. It's a 1991 Dodge D150, and I'm going to be doing a restoration series on it over probably the next couple years because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. All right, well, this is it. This is Little Red. This is the little project. Don't even have a battery in it yet, so open that up. Get the trusty jump pack. So I found out what this truck is, or it might be every single vehicle, but well, with a battery, you just put black on black, red on red, but this one, I guess since battery isn't in it, you gotta put it onto the ground. See what key it is. But I'm sure, as you can tell, she ain't too much to look at right now. She's a little muddy. I got her stuck in the yard when I first brought her here. She's a little dirty. She has her imperfections, but we got time to fix it. All right, let me pop the hood. I gotta figure out how that goes back in. But everything runs like it should. I mean, all right, so this truck has been sitting for, to my knowledge, at least over a year. I don't know how long over a year. I don't think it was too long. The guy that I bought it from, it was his mom, and she passed, so he just didn't want to keep up with it no more. But it's pretty solid. I mean, it's got some surface rust on the frame and stuff, but that's going to be a project for probably next year. Same thing with the rust up here and the entire body of it. But this year's focus is to get it just running perfect, or as perfect as possible, and then get into the cosmetic stuff. That wraps it up for today. Just take it easy on me. I'm not used to this whole YouTube thing, and I'm not a mechanic by any means. I'm just gonna be learning as I go, so it's gonna be a fun little journey. All right, we'll see y'all next time.